Struggling to land high-quality vending locations? You're not alone. Whether you're brand new or stuck with low traffic spots, the solution is simple. The number one mistake? Buying the machine first. The pros always secure the location first, so they can match the right machine to the right customer. Every location is different. A gym wants protein snacks, a factory needs cold drinks. Buy first and you're stuck guessing. But land the location and you can deliver exactly what they need. So, how do you get in? Use this proven cold call script that works, even if you're brand new. Hi, my name is Your Name, and I run a local vending service. I offer free snack or drink machines to businesses like yours, and I handle everything: delivery, stocking, and support. Would you be open to a quick call to see if this could work for your team or customers? With the right script and a little confidence, you can lock in locations without wasting $1 on the wrong machine. Start smart. Secure the location first. Follow for vending tips. Like and save this video.